How to use the Keep Duct Size at Turn option in PractiCAD. PractiCAD gives us the ability to choose whether or not an edit will carry up to an elbow or through an elbow. For example, let's double click on this transition right here. And then what we're going to do is change the width out to 30 and then hit enter. Notice when we do that, the PractiCAD has taken the edit, moved it up the duct line forward so that these two pieces are 30 by 18, but right here at the elbow it stopped and it did not adjust the elbows out. You can see that the width out of this elbow is still 26 by 18. However, if you would like the ability for the edit to go through the elbow and carry down the duct line up until the next fitting, we can choose to do so in our Ductwork Options. We're going to choose this option by going into the library icon on the PractiCAD ribbon or Express toolbar. Then we're going to go over to the Ductwork Options section by clicking on Ductwork. Here you can see that under duct line editing we have an option that says Keep Duct Size at Turn. Currently it's unchecked, which is why the change only went up to the elbow and didn't carry through the elbow. Now we're going to check it, hit the save icon, and then we're going to exit out of the library. Now what we're going to do is go back to the transition. We're going to double click and we're now going to take the width out and make it 34 and hit enter. Notice that this time PractiCAD has carried the change all the way down the duct line through the elbow to the end of the duct line or up until the next fitting. So we have 34 by 18 on both sides. It carries the change all the way through the duct line. Now Keep Duct Size at Turn also has another feature. It's got a dual function inside PractiCAD. To demonstrate, what we're going to do is we're going to grab a piece of pipe in the system and we're going to set it at 12 inches in diameter. And then we're going to place it on the drawing. If we are working on continue and we're going to grab an elbow, a 3-gourd elbow, and we're going to hit C spacebar for continue, you can see that when we do that, PractiCAD has resized the connector out or the diameter out of this fitting to match the diameter in of the fitting. However, if we uncheck that option in library, we will not get PractiCAD to resize the out to match the in. For example, we're going to uncheck Keep Duct Size at Turn. We're going to hit the save key and then we're going to exit out. Once again, we're going to grab a 5-gourd elbow, and notice that when we go to grab the 5-gourd elbow, it only resizes the diameter of the in portion of the elbow and not the out. So Keep Duct Size at Turn will have two functions. One, it will always resize the out parameters to match the in parameters so you don't have to change them on input. And it will also allow it so that if you make an edit up or down the duct line, that edit will carry through the elbow instead of up to the elbow.